Good morning, I, Aditi, and Dr. Kiran Jain of our Public School, Rohini, are going to elucidate the various biodiversity reserves in South America, followed by the biodiversity hotspots and the endangered plant and animal species in the country of Latin America, that is, the plant and animal species that are on the verge of extinction. So here you can see the political map of South America with the labeling of some of the most important countries like Brazil, Bolivia, Paraguay, Uruguay, and Argentina. Under UNESCO's Map and Biosphere Reserve Program, there are 125 biosphere reserves that are recognized as part of the World Network of Biosphere Reserves in the country of Latin America and the Caribbean. Then here you can see the glimpse of the wildlife, the vegetation cover, and the varied topographies in the country of South America, in the Amazonian forests. As we all know that the trees form canopy because of marshy land and as the sunlight cannot reach the ground. Furthermore, this is the location of Amazon rainforest in the country of Latin America. Now I hand over my presentation to Pratyaksh.
Now we start with the biodiversity reserves in South America. And foremost, we start with the biodiversity reserves in Argentina, the Laguna Blanca National Park. It's a national park which is made in order to protect the species of black-legged swans and lagoons. Following, we've got the Biosphere Reserve of Nantucan. It is located in the Mendozon province, Argentina. It is composed of three main geomorphological areas. Now we've got Mar Chiquita. It's a coastal lagoon in the southeast province of Buenos Aires in eastern Argentina. It's located by the Atlantic coast, 30 km north of Mar del Plata. Now we've got biodiversity reserves in Bolivia. First, Many Biological Station Biosphere Reserve. It's a biological reserve which is made in order to protect the terrestrial species of South America. Following, we got Villa Raja's Biosphere Reserve and Communal Lands. As you can see in the photo of a monkey, it is made in order to protect the monkey species and chimpanzee species of South America. Last, we got the Biodiversity Reserve in Chile, was the Fray George National Park. It's a national park which is made in order to protect the species of foxes, chickens, and various plant species. Now I would like to hand over the presentation again to you.
Now the next important part of the presentation is the biodiversity hotspots in South America. Within the biodiversity hotspots in South America, there is a map of different types of vegetation cover, and plant and animal species are found in abundance along with the varied topographies of the region. Now, first and foremost, there is the most important biodiversity hotspot in South America is the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest has wildlife of plant and animal species in abundance, and it covers the largest part of the Amazon basin. And furthermore, there are 390 billion species of plants and animals that are further categorized to 16,000 species. Then the other hotspot in Venezuela is the Orinoco Delta. As the name suggests, the Orinoco Delta is inhabited by aquatic plants and animals, and it is located in eastern Venezuela, and the delta is formed by the Orinoco River. Then is the Atlantic forest. The Atlantic forest is a terrestrial biome and which extends to the Atlantic coast of Brazil. Here there are various categories like the tropical and subtropical moist broadleaf forests and tropical and subtropical dry broadleaf forests. It also has various wildlife species in abundance. Now, another important biodiversity reserve in South America is the Pantanal, which is a natural region encompassing the world's largest wetland area, and it is located mostly in the Brazilian state of Mato Grosso do Sul. It has also many varieties of plant and animal species and the variations in topographies as well.
Now we would like to talk about the endangered animals and plant species of South America.
Now, as you can see, the endangered plant species that are the plant species that are on the verge of extinction in the country of Latin America. These include the Bois dental and more plant species which are originally native to Amazonian rainforests, along with Rafflesia, which is a parasitic plant and has a very bad smell to which is called meat flower and is meant to attract insects for pollination. Then we have the Dendroceras nerifolia, which is originally native to Chilean forests. Then the other endangered plant species include the Venus flytrap, green pitcher and baseball plant, and a weird plant known as the Weltwischer mirabilis. These all plant species are on the verge of extinction due to the human interference and some drastic climatic changes. Now I hand over the other part of the presentation to Pratyansh.
Now, if we talk about the endangered animal species, first we've got the sea turtles, which are found in abundance in the Amazon rainforest, following sloth and jaguars that are found in the Orinoco Delta at times, mostly in Amazon rainforest and biodiversity hotspot. Then we've got the Amazonian manatees. As the name suggests, these manatees are found in the Amazon rainforests. Then we've got the howler, monkeys and macaws, which are found in the Chilean rainforests and Colombian forests. Now, as we can see in this video is telling us, this demonstrates about the vast South American animal and plant species. This is a video of a grassland where we can see many animal species running and roaming.
Now, in order to protect the various plant and animal species in the country of Latin America where they are found in abundance, various constructive programs and conservation measures is being taken by the government and both the federal structures of the country so that the wildlife here sustains. As you can see, the varied wildlife in the country of South America, and this is basically the speciality.
Endangered turtle tourist species called Madagascar. And here, amongst the noisy water birds, it is Madagascar's only endemic turtle species, the Madagascar big-headed turtle.
These are young turtles and are extremely skittish at such a vulnerable age. It makes sneaking up on them extremely difficult. These older females are little.
Now, with this, we go end with our presentation on the country of South America on the topics of biodiversity reserves, biodiversity hotspots, and the endangered species